this is the controversy over the cricket match, which is to take place between India and Pakistan. And now the Karnataka Minister Priyank Kharge has also spoken on this, saying, why is the Home Minister silent? Remember, many people have objected to this match being held, and Priyank Kharge now saying, why no direction to the BCCI, that it is a matter of principle over this cricket match that is to take place in September between India and Pakistan. Many questioning how we can play cricket with Pakistan given the Pahalgam attack, that it was Pakistan promoted terrorism that we are the victims of. Well, let's go across to Deepak now for more. And Deepak, so now Priyank Kharge is the latest leader to, speak on this issue, and he is questioning the Home Minister's silence and saying, why no direction to the BCCI?
Now Priyank Kharge, of course, joins a host of opposition leaders who've been coming down quite heavily, asking for a decision to be taken as far as the India-Pakistan matches are concerned. Whether the decision is actually as simple as it sounds, because we are not talking about a bilateral series, we're talking about, a world event. And in such an event, not playing one country would only mean that you're giving that country a walkover. Is that in the best interest of the country? Is something that we need to look at. But the opposition here is saying that the country should be put first and not, filling up of stadiums or, any sort of leverage that they gain from these sort of matches. And now Mr. Priyank Kharge, the minister from Karnataka, also joining other opposition leaders who've been questioning the Home Minister, because they say that the Home Minister can definitely have a say, because it is his son Jay Shah who's the head of the ICC, and they could in fact take decisions about which matches to be played and which should not. But when you have an ICC event and you have a world event, more importantly, can decisions be made, bilaterally, is a question that will definitely be raised, even as we await answers as to what exactly will happen. The schedule and the fixtures are already out. India is set to play Pakistan, but with this sort of a pressure that's being mounted by opposition leaders from across the country, whether, the government will have to rethink its stand and its decision, that is something that we'll have to wait and watch.
Deepak, the Congress really finding this opportunity to attack the government over the cricket issue, the fact that this match is scheduled, the fact that Jay Shah, heads international cricket. So the Congress at this time, when there's so much talk of, the Pahalgam attackers, the Pahalgam attack, and as well as Operation Mahadev, in which the attackers were killed, the Congress finding this opportunity to really attack the government over cricket taking place at a time when we're a victim of terror from Pakistan.
Yes, the opposition is right now saying, is this the right foot forward? Should we actually be playing cricket matches? In the past, we've also, heard some opposition leaders saying that sport should be left out of such issues. So right now, it's of course a question of how to really approach this. If it's a world event, if it's an ICC event, is there a possibility that it can be dealt differently? Because one thing is to say no to bilateral series, no to going and playing in Pakistan or Pakistan coming to India and playing. But when you have, teams that are playing from across the world, India refusing to play with one particular team would only mean two things. One is they will have to, give them a walkover. That would mean that it's an easy win for Pakistan, or it would also possibly mean that India should not participate in the tournament at all. So it is a situation where India stands to lose there. So is that the right approach, or is there another way of probably looking at this for India through other means of dialogue, which probably cannot be foreseen at this point in time? So it's for the ICC to really look into it, and can really Mr. Jay Shah have a say in all of this? And considering the kind of pressure that continues to be mounted by opposition leaders, be it in the parliament or here in different parts of the country, like now Mr. Priyank Kharge here in Karnataka has done so, it remains to be seen how the government and the ICC and the BCCI handle this.